Do you like kombucha? I don't, but that's okay. I don't have to like everything that I design logos for. This is episode number 49 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Yeah, today we're designing a kombucha logo. If you don't know, kombucha is a fermented tea, and it has a slightly effervescent or tingly mouthfeel to it. I tried it once and I didn't care for it, so be it. Today we're going to use the word Soliform to design a logo for a fictional brand of kombucha. If you don't know, the word Soliform comes from the Latin word for sun, sol. So Soliform means like the sun in appearance or form or nature, somehow resembling the sun. That lends itself pretty easily to some interesting logo choices. I'm going to kind of explore some different sun ideas and ways we can express that. Probably color, probably shape. We'll see where we go. Like usual, I'm going to start by sketching some rough ideas, and then we'll move into Illustrator and refine one of those things a little bit further, and then we'll put together a few different design mock-ups to see what it would look like. Well, let's take a look and see what we can come up with. We're closing in really fast on a year-long journey of Fast Logo Friday, and this has been a lot of fun, and I intend to keep doing it. I enjoy doing them every week for you. I hope they're useful for you and that you learn something. whether that's a new word or you learn something new that could be done with Illustrator and some of the tools that we use as designers. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. We work with the spirits industry to design brands and logos and packaging materials, all kinds of stuff to help that world. If you are in that world and you need some help with something, I'd love to chat with you. You can find me at squarethunder.com. Right here, YouTube is making some recommendations as to another episode of Fast Logo Friday that it thinks would be awesome for you to watch, and I agree. You should go watch it right now. Click one of those and learn something new. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.